Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Sandy Brown. Sandy Brown is running for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you for setting this up, Brad. Yeah, glad to be here.
So today I just want to give you an opportunity to kind of introduce yourself to the voters online and tell us a little bit why you're running.
Okay, well, my current job, I'm a realtor here in town with RE/MAX. I became a realtor about 12 years ago following a 30-year career in sales and marketing primarily. I worked primarily in the sign industry. Some of my work experience there was general manager and the sales and marketing manager, but primarily in sales and marketing, traveling all over North America, selling sign products for some large sign manufacturers, both in Canada and the United States. So as far as additional information about me here in Orange, I've lived here for 28 years. For about 25 of those years, I've been involved in community service. I've got a long record of community service in this town. I love this town. I'm hoping that other people think my way, and that is, it's nice to give back, to put more in than you take out of a community, and I've been doing that for a long time. I know a lot of people in this community, and like many, I'm frustrated by the level of taxation that we have, frustrated by some of the decision making that's been made really systemically here for 20 years. Some of the issues that were that were tackled and decisions that were taken have got us to this point now where we are one of the, if not the highest taxed residentially town in Ontario. And the recent things published over the last couple of days by Money Sense magazine say, our quality of existence here as one of the best towns is falling rapidly too. And there's a number of different factors that went into those calculations, but I think all of the candidates that are standing up right now would like to reverse that trend, reverse that downward trajectory, and turn it around, and let's get back to where we know we can be and should be, both from a taxation standpoint and overall quality of life here in Orangeville.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that you're willing and able to tackle these issues, because certainly we need it. So.
Well, I'm going to turn 60 in September. As I said, I've been around for a long time, and I've got a lot of business experience, some good, some bad, but I want to bring that to the council table and make sure that not just myself, but every other councillor does their homework and comes prepared and looks at not just the immediacy of the issue, but the long-range implications of every decision, because I don't think, it seems to me that long-range vision has been lacking, and I think that we need to bring that back. So.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much for coming in and speaking to me. And if you would like to see some more resources from Sandy Brown, please check out the links below, and thanks for watching.